Hi, my name's Joey Watkins, Product Manager for High Brightness Projectors at Epson Europe. Welcome to ISE 2025. So I'm going to take you through a bit of a tour of our stand and talk to you about what we've got on demonstration here. This amazing space we have here is around 16 meters wide. It's made up of two parts. So we have our leaves installation using 30,000 lumens projection, and then we have our panoramic wall using 9 20,000 lumen projectors to create a really bright space. It's over 1,200 candelas per square meter.
Are they somehow combining over this area to make it even brighter, or how does it work?
No, so we're just using a grey material to create a really nice contrast ratio, and we're using a mix of onboard geometric correction technology and a media server to create the solution. In total, it's over 12,000 pixels.
And there's mapping on the 3D shapes and stuff like that?
Yeah, so these are actually 3D leaves. So it's a canvas created out of a kind of projection film material, and then we're projecting onto this space to create a 3D leaves effect. And this is something that you can't do with any other technology. There's no other solution out there other than projection that allows you to create this kind of 3D mapping.
All right, let's walk around.
Okay.
You've got lots of stuff, no, at this booth?
Yeah, we've got a lot of things to cover.
So what's the latest technology?
Well, our entire sort of theme and communication for the stand is about being able to project onto any surface, anytime, anywhere. And we're demonstrating that with a variety of different solutions. So here we have our mobile cart solution. This is really about taking that same message, not just in like the high brightness or visitor attraction type markets, but bringing it to education and corporate. So this mobile solution uses a super ultra short throw projector, 0.16 to 1 throw ratio and 5,000 lumens, which means you can bring all sorts of spaces. Could be huddle spaces in a corporate environment. It could be gymnasiums or education spaces. You can really create really nice, bright, large images anywhere.
You work with a partner like Airtame or these kind of guys. They also
it's a similar concept. So Arteme have a fantastic range of solutions, really nicely designed, and this is kind of our own sort of adapted version using some different products.
All right.
On this side, we have our brand new range of fixed lens installation projectors, and this has been really well received at the shows. This is a brand new launch and announcement this week. These products have a brand new range of throw ratios, so now we can go from 0.5 to 0.7 on the shortest throw model, then we have 0.79 to 136 on the other short throw model, and then the standard throw models, which have 1.35 to 2.2 throw, they now range all the way up to 8,000 lumens in a really ultra compact form factor. And again, tying into our stand theme, we're projecting onto like curved surfaces, uneven surfaces to show how you can bring really different environments to life.
Right.
Something you may notice going through our stand is the content. So all of our content has been designed by an Italian company called 1000 who are using AI to generate the content, and this is flowing through our entire stand. Here we have a brand new concept. This is called the Immersive Pro Wall. Again, using super ultra short throw projection in combination with ambient light projecting screens to create a new immersive presentation system. So we see this as a fantastic solution for, it could be like product launches, corporate events, education, anywhere you could think of like product visualization, presentations, and this is designed to be a solution that can be sold as a complete system and modular. So we've got a standard configuration, but you can change the angles to make it more or less immersive. You can add additional modules as well to make it a more enclosed space.
You can do like AR without glasses.
You can use it to kind of create different environments, make almost like virtual production type setup. Yeah.
VR, yeah.
Just as we go around this way, we have one of our 4K high brightness projectors. So this is the kind of flagship in our range, the PQ2220. And this is 20,000 lumens 4K, the smallest and lightest 20,000 lumens 4K projector in the world.
All right.
And then once again, we're projecting onto a curved surface. And just to give you a bit of a sense of being here at the show, you can see this projector as you walk from hall 2 to hall 3 before you've even entered. So you can see it from really quite far away. So we're providing really punchy images here. This is a fantastic product being used for quite a lot in rental, but a variety of different usage applications, from higher education through to arts and entertainment type applications.
World's smallest and lightest 4K, 20,000 lumens.
Yes.
So how do you make it so bright?
So we're using a range of different technologies in this. A lot of patented technology goes in here. The heart of every Epson projector is 3 LCD technology. So this is how we really create such a vibrant image, equally bright white and color light outputs. But we've also got our own patented 4K crystal motion technology, which is what creates such a sharp, bright image, vibrant image. And this is paired with some other technologies, micro lens array technology, which really allows you to maximize the brightness of each pixel. Yeah, it's a really fantastic solution that we're seeing really sort of drive forward the adoption of 4K in a compact and affordable product platform.
Affordable. Is it something that cinemas would use, or
no? It's typically more related to big presentation spaces, immersive environments, museums, theatres. These kinds of places are where this would be used for kind of staging and environmental experiences.
Nice. And
so next we've got something really exciting to show you. So we're launching a new campaign around the whole concept of see it, feel it, and we've got a really great different solution using just 3 4K 20,000 lumen projectors, the one we've just seen, but we're creating using a combination of a quarter of a sphere and 114 square meters of mirror to create really like an infinite experience. So as I step in here, you get a sense of the scale of this. The actual projected part's only 2.2 meters from top to bottom, but it creates an experience that feels absolutely massive. And so this is really a design.
Flower planet right now.
Yeah, it's
floating there.
Also the same content, AI generated content. It's based around our theme of the intertwining of nature and digitization. So we're creating a multi-sensory experience combining immersive audio with projection and even scent, so smells in this room, to create a kind of real nice space that really captivates and mesmerizes audiences. And
there's different things happening. At one point I saw a planet, I think, the Earth, or the different, all kinds of, depend on the artist.
Yeah, it's really based around different elements of the Earth, fractals and different things like that is used and inspiring to create the experience.
Now we see the sun with an ocean. Is it possible to see this elsewhere than ISE?
So this is an installation we've created solely for ISE to demonstrate the abilities of our technology to create experiences that nothing else, no other technology can create. I wouldn't be surprised if we see things like this popping up all over the place now that we've shown people what can be done, and actually quite how easy it is to create.
Nice. The only negative thing is that you can't have something else on the back, right?
No,
it's mirrored.
But the way that it works is it creates kind of a depth, a 3D depth, an impression of a 3D installation without creating the whole thing at a 360 level. So this is something you really have to see to appreciate just how kind of hypnotic and mesmerizing the experience is. As we exit this space on the stand, we can show you just our final 2 demonstration areas. So the next one we've got is to demonstrate our software capabilities. So one of the things that we try to do as a brand is to make the lives of our customers as easy as possible. So we've got a range of free software tools. For our more advanced users, we have our Epson Projector Professional Tool software. And the whole concept of this is making complex installations easier. So we've got here 3 projectors. 2 of them are currently being used to create an edge blend onto a curve. So this is the ability to make really wide or tall spaces by blending multiple projectors together. Equally, you can stack 2 projectors, or up to 15 actually, sorry, up to 6 in this case, on top of each other to create really, really bright images. And this is the same software that we've used to create the panoramic wall we saw at the start of this video. So
is my camera sensor going to survive this brightness?
Sorry?
Is my camera sensor going to be fine with this brightness?
You should be okay. I think you'll be okay.
This is really bright.
So these are
because they are combining.
Yeah, we're doing a blend here. So we're using 2 projectors side by side. So one of the new features that we're launching with this new solution, this new software solution, is the ability to stack projectors. So put multiple projectors doing the same image to create really bright, a bright image output. But now be able to do this onto uneven or regular surfaces. So things like building facades, caves, different environments, so we can really bring brightness, big bright images, and make it as easy as possible to stack and onto those surfaces. So our final demonstration on our stand is for the pro home market. So typically people associate the kind of home cinema with a dark, dedicated home cinema space. But Epson, we make projectors that are really bright as well, with really fantastic image quality. So we're combining these two parts of our business, the kind of home cinema and the high brightness, to create the new pro home market, which is really about home entertainment in the living room in all brightness conditions. So this is a 10,000 lumen projector for the home, using an ultra short throw lens, and then we're using that in combination with an ambient light projecting ALR screen, 130 images. So you can imagine sitting back, relaxing, watching the sports, watching movies and different kinds of content on a really large screen, something that would be really cost prohibitive with something like an LED TV or an ultra large TV at sizes that are unachievable as well. So we're getting a fantastic response to this new concept of pro home entertainment. So that's what we've got here. It's great to see ISE running again. It's been super busy. We're just returning to the original installation in our hospitality area. If anyone's still here, come and see us in Hall 3, stand J100. We're here till 4 o'clock Friday. We look forward to seeing you.
What kind of meetings do you have going on?
Meetings, it's all sorts. So we have anything from new business and new concept ideas being created to existing customer relationships. Our stand's been packed. This is probably the quietest it's been for 3 days. But it's really just fantastic to see people here and loving being part of the whole experience again. We also have the ability to find out more at epson.eu/ProAV, where you can see our whole high brightness lineup. But yeah, I'd encourage you to come and see it for yourselves and really experience what we have to show.
So the LCD technology keeps getting better and better.
Yeah. So
and the way Epson does it is just
3 LCD technology is one of Epson's core technologies. It's a foundation of our business. So we are fully committed to the continuous investment. So that can be just improving the image quality, resolution, contrast, but pushing brightnesses to the next level, but always with the same design ethos. So everything that we do at Epson is about creating efficient, compact, and precise products. So that flows through from, for example, with our fixed installation projectors using recycled materials, so making them more efficient. But also compactness. So again, there's the smallest and lightest products on the market in some cases. So bringing advanced technologies and miniaturizing them into really compact form factors. And then precision, so 4K, developing our own patented 4K crystal motion technology, which is really, really super sharp, super accurate. This is what we do. So yeah, we're committed, we're here, we've been here, the world leaders since 2001, so 23 years now. And we're continuing to invest in projection because it's a technology that can do things and like nothing else. And
there's so much technologies around LCD to make it better. The way you do 3 LCD or the the way you enhance the backlights, the light source.
There's all sorts going on in what look like tiny little boxes sometimes. Everything from the cooling systems through to the other technologies that I mentioned in terms of how we create such bright, sharp, colorful images. Even things like the image processing. We've got some fantastic custom-made graphics chips to make sure the processing is as efficient as possible. So yeah, there's a lot going on in what looks like a very simple box to create what you see and the amazing experience.
And you can do more and more with one LCD also.
We don't use one else. 3 LCD is there to enable us to create such a vibrant image. So all of our products use 3 LCD, 3 chip solid state technology.
All right, cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.